If you are watching this video, chances are you hate dragging luggage around. Same here. So today I'll show you how incredibly easy it is to send your luggage ahead in Japan. And honestly, you'll wonder why every country doesn't have this service. It's not expensive either. I'll share the cost at the end, but for now, let's get into how it works. We use Yamato delivery service, also known as Kuroneko. And no, it isn't sponsored. You can use other companies too, but most of them work in a similar way. In 90% of cases, you'll use this service for traveling from one city to another, like Tokyo to Osaka or Kyoto. Because let's be honest, carrying big bags through crowded stations and booking special train seats just for your luggage is not fun. So how do you use Yamato? All you have to do is fill out this form and drop your luggage. Simple. Now depending on where you are staying, hotel or Airbnb, the process changes slightly. If you are staying at a hotel, just go down to the front desk, tell them where and when you want your luggage to be delivered, and they'll handle everything. Most hotels already have partnerships with Yamato, so they'll fill out the form for you and store the luggage until pickup. When you arrive at your next hotel, your luggage will be waiting for you in the lobby. It's that simple. If you are staying at an Airbnb or a guest house, it's a bit trickier, but very doable. Here's what you can do. First, go to the nearest 7-Eleven. Most are Yamato partners and accept luggage. Second, if that doesn't work, try asking your nearby hotel if they can help. Third, as a last resort, take your luggage to the nearest Yamato service center. Search Kuroneko Yamato on Google Maps. We have done this both from our hotels and Airbnb. So when we say it's easy, it really is. Just one tip for Airbnb deliveries. Make sure someone is present when the bag is being delivered. When filling the form, you can specify the time slot for delivery. And they actually show up on time. So it's super convenient. Now let's say you have decided to send the luggage. So here's how you can fill the form. You will need to write down the name of the hotel you are sending the luggage to, your name, a phone number, can be your hotels or Airbnbs. Then at the counter, they'll measure and weigh your bag and fill in those details for you. You just need to select the delivery date and preferred time slot. Let's talk about the cost. Here's how it works. They'll first check the size of your bag using a measuring board like this, and then they weigh it. Most standard sized suitcases fall in the size 120 to 140 category, and they usually cost between 2000 to 2300 yen, roughly 13 to 15 USD. Pro tip, add an air tag or any kind of tracker inside your luggage for peace of mind. Even though the service is super reliable, but it's good to have that extra layer of security. I hope this video helped you understand how to send your luggage in Japan. If it did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We have got more Japan travel hacks coming your way.